Hey guys, techmadeezy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video today. Yup, you're right. You see it, a full-size refrigerator, and we're going to go ahead and test this 400 watt Ego Nexus Escape Inverter. Now it just came out, all right, and we just did an unboxing of this and a slight comparison to the previous model along with a close look. We'll put links in the description if you want to check that out, okay? But we are ready. We've got a 10 amp hour battery sitting right here waiting, and I am dying to see how many hours we're going to get from a 10 amp hour battery and our full-size refrigerator. This is our Samsung full-size refrigerator. And if you're wondering what type of refrigerator and what the specs are, well, guess what? At the end of the video, we'll actually have some information on the refrigerator. If you want to know more about that, go to the end of the video. But why don't we go ahead and get this party started and see how long it takes. So let's go ahead and start the test, and I want you to see the battery is fully charged. All right, it's plugged into the charger, it's fully charged. So the refrigerator is currently off. And what we want to do now is it's already plugged in. So we're going to take the 10 amp hour battery, right? 10 amp hour battery, slide it on, and then we're going to turn it on. Okay. And you'll see here, it is now powering our refrigerator. All right. So it is 7:22 in the morning on Friday, and we're going to see how long a 10 amp hour battery can keep our refrigerator powered. So Brooklyn and I are sitting in the kitchen, and we said to ourselves, would it be helpful if we could tell you how many watt hours is in this battery? You know, when you think of this battery, you're thinking right now that this is like a little power station, right? And if you watch our channel, we do a lot of reviews on power stations. So this 10 amp hour battery actually has 560 watt hours. Think about that. There are many power stations that have 500 watt hours, you know, and obviously a built-in inverter and a whole bunch of stuff like that. So the 10 amp hour battery by Ego has 560 watt hours as it goes ahead and powers our refrigerator. I hope that was helpful. Now, as we're doing this test, I guess the one thing I have to watch out for is, will this turn off? Now, the reason why I ask, will it turn off, is because from time to time, this refrigerator will end up using 0 wattage. Just because it's cold enough, and I found other power stations to really show no power draw from the refrigerator here. So throughout the day, I'll just need to make sure that this thing is staying on. More to come. All right, we're 1 hour in, 1 hour and 1 minute in, and we still have 80 to 99% of that battery left, right? We've got a fuel gauge with 5 bars, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. So 1 hour in, and we are still between 80% and 99% battery. All right, it's about 4 hours, give or take a minute or two, and we are in the 60 to 80% range right now. Still powering the refrigerator. 4 hours in. Not bad. Check this out. 6 hours in. And we're 40 to 60% keeping the food cold with a battery on the Nexus Escape 400 watt inverter. Is that cool or what? 40 to 60% in. I mean, we're 6 hours in with 40 to 60% left on the battery. Let's keep going. Okay, we're 8 hours in. It is 3:21 p.m. And we are 20 to 40% on the battery. I am impressed. A 10 amp hour battery going over 8 hours to power this refrigerator. Well, let's see how much longer we can get. 9 hours in, we're still 20 to 40% on the battery. 9 hours in. Wow. It's pretty cool, I gotta tell you. Here we are, 10 hours in now. This is crazy. I still have 20 to 40% battery left 10 hours later. Wow. All right, I'm a little late on this one. It's 6:32, so it's a little over 11 hours. And now we're in that 20% range. 6:32. I guess within that 20% range, we'll keep an eye on this. And yeah, 11 hours. Madness. All right, this is madness. 12 hours. And we're still on this 20% bar. I thought it was going to turn off just now. 12 hours. My refrigerator's still being charged. 12 hours. All right. Well, when will this die? That's the question. All right. As promised, here are the specs for the refrigerator on the left-hand side. You know, you could see all the information. Again, it is a newer refrigerator, right? 2021. So it's not a really old refrigerator. So it's pretty efficient. And on the right is the first video that we did, you know, a close look and unboxing. And we also compared it a little bit to the original model, the 150 watt inverter. I'll put the link in the description on that one. But let's finish this up. Let's go ahead and see how long we got with this refrigerator test. All right, so guess what? 12 hours and 20 minutes. And it's off. Wow, that was phenomenal. I've got to plug the refrigerator back in. But that was a cool test. I'm very impressed with a 10 amp hour battery to get 12 hours and 20 minutes. I mean, if you add a 12 amp hour battery, you should be able to get 20% more. You know what, guys? I hope you found this video helpful and or entertaining. And you know what? If you did, take a moment, give us a thumbs up. It really, really helps the channel, and it could help our video as well, you know? And if you're new to the channel, take a moment and subscribe. I'd love to have you as a family member. Share our video. Seriously, take a moment and share our video in any of the chat rooms you're in. And follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and check out our new Tesla Journey channel. We just got our first Tesla. We're doing a whole lot of learning. We're doing some reviews right now, but we're going to start to share what we're learning on there. Thank you so, so much, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Hey guys, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. As you can see, Brooklyn, she's waving her tail for you. Take a moment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and you'll get notified of new videos we come out with. Also, follow us and contact us on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. We'd love to have you. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.